Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hyperlink in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding hyperlinks in Canva is a straightforward process that can enhance your designs and improve user engagement for several reasons. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to click the template that you wanted to start with. You can choose business, social media, education, video, marketing, or even print products. If you have a specific design in mind, just click on the create a design option. In my case, I'm going to click the create a blank YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it a YouTube thumbnail in our GPLAF's YouTube channel. Now here, going to upload a link, or like an image. And for you to be able to add a hyperlink, all you're gonna do is click this three dots icon right here that says more. Click on link, which is the shortcut is Control+K on your keyboard, and enter a link of your search. For example, this one right here, that's going to be the link. All right, click on done. You see, when you do that, it would be automatically linked to this link right here. If you click on that, you would be forwarded to this section. Similarly, if you hover back again to the main design right here, you can also do that in specific, say for example, a video. Go to the videos right here. Maybe look for this one. Click that. You also have the option to click on the option right here. You see that it does not apply to video, only for pictures and of course for text right here. Click this. I'm gonna make it a little bit like smaller, say 100. I'm gonna drag this effects like this one right here. Okay, so right click that and there's gonna be an option that says link. All right, now you can also enter a link or search. What I'm going to do instead is going to quickly check our GPLAF's YouTube channel. If you haven't already, just please click the subscribe button so you get notifications on our latest content. I'll click on the URL and then switch over to Canva. From here, you can enter, all right? And click on done. Basically, that's how you hyperlink in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.